Here's a good app for comparing fractions. It's apps.mathlearningcenter.org/fractions. First one on our assignment is 2/6 and 1/3. So you go down here to the plus. It's going to be 6 parts. And we're going to click OK, and then we'll put 2/6 in there. And then we'll grab, this one's going to be in 3 parts. So we'll put that next to it and color it in, and you can see 2/6 is the same as 1/3, and if you hit this button it tells you what the fractions are. The next one's 1/2 and 1/6, so we'll add, we want 2 parts, so we go to OK, we're going to go with 1/2, and then I think the other one was 1/6, so we'll split it to 6 parts. And we'll click OK, and we can see 1/2 is bigger than 1/6. So you should be able to do that for all of them. 4/8 and 7/8. Obviously, if they're cut into the same size pieces, 4/8 would be less than 7/8. 1/4 and 1/8. If we try that one, we go into 4 parts for 1/4, and the other one was 1/8. So we'll go into 8 parts. Put them next to each other, and we can see that 1/4 is greater than 1/8. So apps.mathlearningcenter.org/fractions. That's a good resource to use for trying to figure out these fractions and comparing them.